My name is Janet. Welcome back to Dundurn Castle. We're in the historic kitchen here below stairs, and this is the Castle Fair cooking series. We're going to talk about dandelions. What's that you say? We eat dandelions? This is something I pull out of my yard. They're not. They're amazing plants. And for millennia, our ancestors have really loved the healthy properties of eating the roots, the leaves, and the flowers. The entire plant has amazing healthful properties. They call these the herbs or greens. And I'm going to show you 3 recipes with the greens and the flowers and the roots that might be tasty for you and so good for your health. So this is the dandelion leaf tea. It's steeped and of course all the leaves are coming out. That's okay. You let them fall to the bottom and then you do a tea leaf reading. So this is the dandelion flower syrup. I just want you to see its beautiful color. If you want it to be as thick as honey, you'll cook it down even more. I didn't make a lot. People put citrus in as well. Lemon. Oh my God. This is delightful. Those little plants, we vilified them. This is the Dandelion Coffee. I'm pouring a teacup full. It smells wonderful, actually. It smells a lot better than the cup I made the other day. Oh, thank goodness. I was so worried I was gonna have to really kill myself to keep a straight face. Listen, that's really nice. We fried up the greens. They're amazing, just like that. Put them in butter, sprinkle some salt on them. Where's my salt? I mean, seriously, it's good stuff. If you like arugula or green stuff on your pizza and stuff, this is good too. You use dandelions instead, and they're so good for you. Just a fresh salad, and put them in a bowl with your other vegetables, and put a little cider vinegar Mix it up with your goat cheese and nuts and other wonderful cucumbers, radishes, and olive oil, or any oil that you prefer. Salt and pepper. Create your own incredible salad dressing and you'll do fine. These greens are so special. Oh yeah. So many ways to enjoy. Don't forget to have your greens, herbs, greens, and check out our recipe challenge. Eat your greens.